We will be traveling to Malaysia soon and we're spending 3 weeks there. In this video, I want to show you what I pack for the trip. After learning about minimalism, I now like to travel light whenever possible. And for this trip, everything I bring can fit into a small carry-on. And now let's start packing. This Louis Vuitton mini pump spring backpack is the only designer bag I'm bringing. I usually like to keep my luxury bag filled to keep it supported. Let me show you what I have inside the Louis Vuitton bag. First of all, I have this sun hat. I've had this for a few years and I love it because it's so travel friendly. This is also machine washable, which is another huge bonus for me. Whenever I travel to a tropical country, I always carry this with me for sun protection. Let me know if you agree, but I think it looks quite cute and it also goes with my casual outfits nicely. So yes, I absolutely recommend this little hat. I'm also bringing my Louis Vuitton coin purse and my Chanel mini O case. Now, I actually started using this Mulberry card holder recently because I hardly ever use cash now in the UK. For this trip, however, I'm going back to my Chanel mini O case because cash is still quite a common way of payment in Malaysia from what I've heard. I'm also really happy that I can finally make use of my Louis Vuitton coin purse after a long time. Then I have this little pouch to carry my daily essentials. I've been using my Louis Vuitton mini pochette daily, but for this trip, I'm using this small pouch because it can carry a bit more, so it works better for me when I travel because I like to carry a bigger hand sanitizer. And this can also fit my other essentials such as a small mirror, some tissues, a hand cream, my very trusty Color Science sunscreen powder, a perfume atomizer, some plasters, a lip balm, and so on. These are the Gucci sunglasses which I always travel with. They are very big and the style goes with absolutely any outfits. Another bag I'm bringing with me is this Uniqlo crossbody bag. This is very travel friendly because it can fit a lot and it's really easy to put away in the suitcase. As you can see, it takes up very little space. I like that this bag is water resistant and completely worry-free. We are doing a lot of casual activities on this trip, so I think it's nice to have something that I'm not too precious about. I've been really enjoying this bag and I totally get why this is their bestseller. Next, I'll pack my clothing. I like to use packing cubes to keep things organized. Now, I always pack according to the itinerary, and for this trip, we are doing mostly very casual family activities, so I made sure to pack for the occasion. Therefore, the core wardrobe for this trip consists mainly of shorts and t-shirts. I'm bringing 4 pairs of shorts. These are my summer essentials here in the UK and they are very comfy and nice to wear. I'm also bringing 7 t-shirts and as you can see, I have a selection of all my favorite neutral colors. I highly recommend neutral colors if you're traveling light because they are just so easy to mix and match. All the t-shirts are from Grana and they are made of 100% Supima cotton. The material is perfect for the summer. It feels light, soft and very breathable. These are honestly such a delight to wear because they are incredibly comfortable. I also find the cutting of these pieces really flattering on my body frame. I personally like my t-shirts really simple and plain, so these are absolutely perfect for me. What I really like about Grana is that you can find some really fantastic building block pieces. If you have a look at their website, you'll see that all their designs are fairly simple, but they really focus on using premium quality materials. This Supima cotton, for example, represents only 1% of the cotton grown in the world. This is a very durable fabric because it features extra long staple fibers. Something else that I really appreciate is that Supima cotton tends to get softer with time, so you will only love it more and more. In fact, Supima has been referred as the cashmere in the cotton family. I'm wearing two different designs here, and I'll make sure to leave the sizing and other information down below. Then we've got a set of silk pajamas. These are also from Grana. I have to bring them because they are incredibly light and airy. In case you haven't noticed, that is my top priority for this trip. The pajamas top is fairly loose fitting and it has a very generous neckline. Meanwhile, the bottoms are quite short and very flowy. These feel so lovely and comfy to wear. The silk is incredibly soft, pampering and luxurious. I love wearing silk for nighttime because for me, wearing something cozy helps me sleep better. Personally, I think the gentle light yellow color is also perfect for the hot weather. This is the only belt I'm bringing with me on this trip. This is my travel jewelry case from Idol. This is really compact and it offers plenty of organization. It's perfect for me because I don't tend to bring a massive collection of fine jewelry pieces when I travel. This time, I'll be wearing my daily jewelry pieces like I always do, including my daily diamond bracelets and necklace, my Cartier love ring and wedding band. On top of that, I'll also be bringing my Hermes CDC bracelet, Hermes CDC ring, another Cartier ring, and a small selection of diamond earrings from Idol. This UV protection jacket is absolutely a summer essential for me. The material is very light and thin, so even in the heat, it doesn't weigh you down. Apparently, this can block up to 70% of UV rays, so I like to carry this with me for sun protection, especially if I know I'll be outdoors for a long time. At first, I wasn't sure if this was just a hype, but it actually works. A few weeks ago, I went to my little boy's sports day and it was surprisingly sunny. I didn't have any sunscreen on my arms, but luckily I brought this jacket with me. And after a few hours, my poor husband got a sunburn, but I was absolutely fine. Anyway, this jacket can be put away into a small pouch, which is a very handy feature. For personal items, I'm bringing 4 pairs of wireless bras from Uniqlo. My sister recommended these to me a while ago, and I now swear by them, especially in the hot climate. Then I've got 7 pairs of underwears and 7 pairs of socks. I make sure to pack my swimsuit, seeing we'll be going to water parks. I've been really enjoying this silk dress because it's so light and airy. I don't think I'll be wearing dresses much on this trip, so this is the only dress I'll be bringing with me, in case if I feel a bit fancy or if I go shopping. My sister has also very kindly offered to lend me dresses if I happen to need any. For shoes, I'm bringing these Vans because we're expecting to do a lot of walking. I'll be wearing them to the airport, so they're not going in the suitcase. I also have these Nike trainers because we're planning to do karting and jungle trekking. I'm not bringing sandals because I'll be borrowing from my sister for going to the water park. This is my makeup pouch. It's very minimal because I don't think I'll be wearing makeup that much while I'm there, seeing it's so hot and humid in Malaysia. I made sure to bring a sunscreen. This might not be enough for 3 weeks, but sunscreen is very easy to purchase in Malaysia, so I'm not worried. Instead of foundation, I decided to bring a BB cream because it has a much lighter texture. For skincare, I'm keeping it quite minimal as well. I have this simple face wash, which I swear by. A toner, a small serum spray, and the Kiehl's moisturizer. I'm quite particular with hair serum, so I'll also be bringing this Way hair serum with me. I haven't packed a makeup remover because my plan is to do some duty-free shopping at the airport. I know they have a very comprehensive selection of products, therefore I don't want to bring too much with me. This is my travel hair comb from Philip Kingsley. It's really tiny but it works really well. And of course, I never go anywhere long distance without my retainer, toothpaste, toothbrush, and some floss. This is my GHD hair straightener, which is an essential item for when I get ready. For gadgets, I'm keeping things minimal as well because I really want to enjoy the holiday, so I'm not planning to do much work. This is the gimbal, in case if we want to film any special moments. My Kindle is essential, especially for the long flights. I'm also bringing my iPad Pro because I'm hoping to do some drawing and sketching whenever possible. This is the only physical reading book I packed for the trip. My Moleskine notebook is quite a personal item for me. I love having it for journaling and writing down ideas, so it's definitely coming with me. And of course, I'm bringing my AirPods as well. So it looks like everything fits very nicely inside this carry-on. By the way, this lovely suitcase is from level 8. I love how simple, chic and minimalistic this suitcase is. The exterior has a textured surface which is relatively scratch resistant. The shell is made of German polycarbonate, making the suitcase very durable and lightweight. Another favorite feature of mine has to be the 360-degree spinner wheels. I just love how the suitcase glides so beautifully and fairly quietly. The inside is as functional as the outside. As you can see, it is fully lined and there are dividers and pockets to help keep things organized. By the way, all their suitcases come with a lifetime warranty, so make sure to check them out. This is my travel pillow. It's very comfy and I love that there's a little loop on the pouch so I can easily clip it to my backpack or carry on. This is the backpack I wear when I travel long distance. There's a padded compartment for my iPad or laptop, and there are several pockets for other onboard essentials. I like that this is worry-free and it feels really nice to carry. We'll be traveling as a family of 3, and these are obviously the things I packed only for myself. I love traveling light nowadays, but I packed even less this time because I'll be staying with my sisters and then my mum. So I have very easy access to laundry. Plus I know if I'm missing anything, I can always borrow from my family or buy it from there. Seeing I'm quite familiar with Malaysia, it's where I grew up. By the time you watch this, I've probably come back to the UK. Hopefully I'll get enough footage to put together a vlog for you, but we'll see because I do want to be fully present while I'm there. Let me know what are your travel essentials. Until next time, take care and I will see you soon.